What up, guys? It's your boy Susan here, and I'm here to talk about the day three. As day three, I made $250, which is still low of my target of $300. The main reason is I'm still not 100% back. I still have cough. I still have cold, so I couldn't be able to achieve my goal of $300. And there's another reason why these Uber drivers or DoorDash drivers couldn't be able to work more and get paid more because of boredom. Yeah, people from outside they think like, what, delivery drivers? It's a easy job. You go pick up orders, you go deliver. That's it. It's so easy. Anyone can do it, but it's not. Only a true DoorDasher, true delivery driver knows how bored you get when you deliver orders. You drive all day and your mind is so free and you get so bored. And yeah, like a lot of people fight their boredom with their girlfriends. They talk to their girlfriends on phone, or they could pick them up and like they both deliver their orders. But I'm a single guy, so what I can do is I go live stream on YouTube, but that too, like, I'm not famous, so I only get like 2-3 people watching my live, and I could be able to interact. Some people comment and like it would be a good session, but most of my distractions would be from YouTube. I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I watch a lot of impractical jokers, stand-up comedies to keep myself busy while driving. And yeah, you have to wait a lot for orders. That's biggest disadvantage of doing delivery jobs like Uber Eats or DoorDash. You have to wait for orders in between. You have to wait outside the restaurants for the orders. That's kind of annoying, but what you can do, sometimes you have to sit inside car and you have to wait for orders. So yeah, in this video I want to just give you guys a short description of how difficult delivery driver's role is. And oh, my hand hurts. Yeah, my I didn't take a shower. Actually, I'm on a walk, so I walk 6 kilometers every day. That is like 10,000 steps. So after finishing this walk, only I'm going to go to the shower. So don't mind my oily face and everything, guys. So I'll take a shower before delivering it. And yeah, sorry about that. And all I'm asking you guys is to subscribe and like my content if you guys really like it. And I need a little bit of support from you guys. And please do tune in for my live videos so I don't get bored. And you guys also like would enjoy it. Last time, like yesterday when I went live and like 2 guys came, joined, and like they were trolling each other and it was fun to watch. Sometimes they troll me as well and I enjoy it too, because something is better than nothing, right? So you guys can come and join and troll me, or you can do anything you want in my YouTube live. And it's turning into a promotion for my YouTube live. I'm really sorry if I'm doing it too much. And I'm really begging you guys to come and join. It's sometimes boring. I'm still figuring out how to keep my live funny and more engaging. And I'm also figuring out a way to reduce my boredom and focusing on what matters and what could make my day better. So if you guys are a driver or Uber Eats, DoorDash driver, do tell me how you guys face boredom and how you guys sustain driving for 10-12 hours without a break. The maximum I could drive is like 8 hours without a break. Then I have to stop my car for 1 hour, take some rest, eat something, and then only I can go for another like 2-3 hours. That's it. So my ideal goal is to walk or deliver or drive for 18 hours a day. If I could drive 18 hours a day, then I could easily achieve my goal of making like $30,000 in 100 days. So I know my initial days, day 1, day 2, day 3, I haven't achieved my goal, but it's a slow start. But I'm super confident that at the end of my 100 days, I would definitely achieve my goal of $30,000. And we have to wait and watch, guys. So if you guys think otherwise, please do comment, and let's see who who's right and who's not. Let's make it little bet without any betting on money or anything. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe and click the bell icon guys. See ya.